Morning, Gully, but big up yourself. People big up on yourself. God is good. Dr. Love, big up yourself. Yes, glad. Tina Chin, big up yourself. All I wanna. Big up yourself. Yeah. God is good. Out the door. Let me still drink a liquor. We call this plantain porridge with peanut. One pot of plantain with peanut there. Old pot bring good luck. I bless me upon the pot on the bun. Big things are going on. Rika, big up yourself. God is good. Mercy and favor. Wow. People big up on yourself. Enough girl want to sit down and chat and chat and chat. When they chat, you don't listen to them, you know. Can't pay them no fucking mind because they don't have no sense. Me poor as a bat, me not tell nobody something rich, because I don't have nothing. I have a lot of riches inside me. I have a lot of riches inside me, and that's in my heart because I love people. But I don't have the money outside. I don't have vanity riches, but I have pure riches inside me. Everybody big up on yourself. And God is good. In mercy, I was in their favor. Right now, the door hot. I drink a porridge and water, run out for me. Pure water. Damn. Oh, God is good. I have to belch the gas, so I can't find another way but to belch the gas. I know a restaurant in buy the porridge. When I buy porridge, I make porridge thick, you know. My porridge is watery. I make a dirty water, I drink. I don't mind shabby tip, sip my stomach. Gully Bop. Like your body, I got stand up now, boy. Yeah, girl them sugar. Girl them sugar for real, Bop. Jamaica love you, we love you. We never stop love you. We can't stop love you. We just got addiction that make we love you. We got the touch that make we love you. The talk, the music. We don't love you for right, but you would look man. Some of them think a man here look when you say you love Gully. We love Gully. Because God bless Gully. Gully is a special one. Many are called but few are chosen. Don't you, Gully? Tell them now. Bless up Rika, big up yourself. Enough respect to Rika. You see, I love Rika because guess what? Rika real Dennis. See me I say? Hold on the back. Rika real Dennis. Hold on the back good. Long distance or short distance, any distance or Rika. So I love Rika, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Hold on the back, see, big up yourself. A woman of she's a good woman that. She's a good woman. You can't see the pain on her when she hear about certain things that she don't like. So you don't know she feel live up, you see me? Good friend are good for nobody business, them good. You know, Gully Bop care for her too and she care for him. So big up on yourself, Rika, big up yourself, my girl. Big up yourself every time, artist. See it? See me? I'm big up on yourself. Yeah, she look good too. Not sure Rika look good. Her little body tight. Hey, her little body tight. Nobody come kill me and shoot me part me fit my Facebook line or tear my YouTube line because I say Rika body tight. Rika body look good. Rika like a face turn up. She just cute like a little baby doll. She turn up. Hey, Gully Bop, you got a baby doll next to that you need for dance hall. And that you need for look my youth. I make a Barbie doll on the side. But for some reason I got start happening. No man, this I think I probably can run my belly. If I run my belly, I'm going to go on the road. Lord God. Lord Jesus, you come water and water like milk. Watch ya. How are this, man? I wonder if the sweater drop in night and me I drink it, I get water while the sweater dropping. That's disgusting. But me not think so, no. Oh, my belly a cut me, my last, my lover, my boyfriend gone left me. Gully, where are you? Where are you, Gully? Where are you? I need to get some views. Remember, we have the show in London we have to go and do. It's already signed. And we have to go and get the show done. Gully, where are you, Gully? Gully, where are you? Hi. Tell him you're not going back in the Gully. You're gone to the money right now. Run to the money, Gully. Yeah, get some good food, cook up and straighten up your body. Make some Irish mash and linseed and all them things that she come. Tell a friend to make it up for you and some rice and peas and chicken and all them things. You see me? Yeah. Right now. It's turn water for me, my youth. Water. Turn water for me here. Damn, man, my nose around. Gully! Look up yourself again. Damn. Hi. Whoa, my body hot. Feel hot now. Well, so be it. People are big up on themselves. Why Gully gonna leave me, left me a ball, Gully? Why Gully leave me and leave me a ball, Gully? Don't you know I wanna be a superstar? Me view them eyes, it's all about me, it's not all about you. Right, Gully? But no, me no need you. How the view I go get I know? How the view I go climb, Gully? Gully, where are you? What a piece of mix up. Children, yes mama. Stop blame Gully, go look for your papa. Children, yes mama. Stop blame Gully, go look for your papa. Papa. Hold them foot there. Hold them foot there up there, so. One foot, yeah? I offer two of them, yeah? A booby. Gully. I would have kissed them teeth. Yo. I told me to touch a sore foot. When I be like something, I try to be like what's the name of no, sir. When I disrespect nobody on me booby this. Can't find the foot for sure one toe. Gone. I think I'm the best looking one of the two of them and gone. I love you, booby. I love you. My husband me I talk to. Me no manless. A long time in there for years now. Me no manless. Right by my side every night. You're not gonna go left me. So my body not tired. My crotch is not tired. Me a man. For years me in there, right, booby? You know I want something time free that social media, but yeah. You see the two on the line me I tell.